iOS 16 introduced a new way to navigate with Navigation Stack. You may be thinking, wait, Navigation View is essentially a stack, so what's the difference? That's a great question. Let's look at the differences between Navigation View and Navigation Stack. Navigation Link is still central to navigation around your app. In iOS 16, however, a new initializer was introduced that takes in an object that is hashable, along with the view that represents the link on screen. This means there's no destination anymore. How does your app know where to go? iOS 16 introduced a new modifier called Navigation Destination, which takes in a type and a closure that takes in an instance of that type, returning the view to which your app will navigate. Up to this point, it looks like a lot of reshuffling of where things happen, but separating out the destination like this allows you to handle having multiple types of navigation links in your navigation stack by attaching multiple navigation destination modifiers for each type. There is one more long-awaited piece of functionality that Navigation Stack provides, the ability to programmatically navigate via a path. Navigation Stack has an initializer that takes in a binding to a navigation path object or a collection of hashable objects. This lets you specify exactly where you want the app to be in the navigation stack by populating the path. This allows for really easy deep linking, immediately loading up a page on startup or popping back to the top of the stack immediately by emptying the path. Let's take a look at some of these features in a demo. The starter project is the same as the starter project of the last episode. This time, however, you'll use Navigation Stack. The goal here is to connect the content view with the detail view. Now, when you tap on a row in Content View, you would probably expect to go to a detail view of the artwork. So let's connect these two views. You need to embed this list in a navigation stack. This gives you the root of a new navigation stack. You can now access all the navigation things you did with Navigation View, like the navigation bar title. Remember that this modifies list, not navigation stack. Navigation stack still requires navigation links to work. This is the key to adding views to the navigation stack. Start typing navigation link and let autocomplete show you the possible initializers. Pick the one that takes a value and a label. You can use the text that's already there for a label, and for the value, use the closure's artwork object. Now you need to specify a destination. Below the navigation bar title modifier, add one for navigation destination. Use artwork.self as the type. For the destination, make an instance of whatever view you want to navigate to, like the detail view. And you can just pass in the artwork associated with this item in the list. Start up a live preview to test it out. And there's the detail you're looking for. In the last episode, using Navigation View on the iPad, you had to add a detail view to the navigation view so something would show on the screen at launch. Is this still needed? Switch to the 12.9-inch iPad Pro and reload the preview canvas. Hey, it's your list of artwork, so you don't need an extra detail view. Great.